Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. This is 3M Countertop Drinking Water System CTM-02. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily replace the cartridge in 4 simple steps. Number 1. Hold the base and remove the cover. Number 2. To release the old cartridge, give the cartridge a quarter twist in anti-clockwise direction. Very easy, right? This is a 3M small and compact replacement cartridge. Number 3. To install a new cartridge, repeat the same process. Give the cartridge a quarter twist in clockwise direction. Number 4. Flush the system for 1 full minute to remove any trapped air. See? Just 4 simple steps. If I can do it, I think you can do it too. If you can't, just watch the video and repeat it again and again and again and again. Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.